Hello, friends. My name is Nick and I suggest you take a course on typing called Solo Typing Tutorial. The program will allow you to learn how to use the keyboard without looking at it. The course is designed for 30 days, provided that you will study every day for 1-2 hours. At the end, the student will be able to type text in English of any complexity, including letters, numbers and special characters. Now I'm going to be doing this on my own, and I'm going to go through it with you. Before I begin, I would like to make a few clarifications and explain whether you need to take this course at all. In English typing, the speed of the dial is measured by the number of words per minute. Studies have shown that an untrained user types at about 19 words per minute. The speed of typing 40 words is considered good. Professional typesetters that work with a keyboard continuously print at a rate of 33 to 80 words per minute. This is the norm for professionals. The speed from 80 to 95 words should be shown by dispatchers and responsible workers who type online. Speed from 100 words per minute or more is considered very high. In practice, it can be achieved by constant training. You can easily assess your level of training at home or at office. Type any text in English within 1 minute and count the number of words you have typed. If the number of words is less than 40, it makes sense to take this course to increase the speed of typing. In the course of Solo Typing Tutorial, speed is determined by the value of typed characters per minute, abbreviated CPM. You can translate them into WPM. For words that consist only of letters of the English alphabet, the CPM value should be divided by 4.22. For sentences with letters, numbers, and punctuation marks, the value should be divided by 3.65. To freely type English, you need to be able to work with letters, numbers, punctuation marks and special characters. Therefore, to calculate the WPM speed, the Solo Typing Tutorial speed must be divided by 3.65. For example, the speed of 100 CPM equals 27 WPM. Conversely, 80 WPM equals 292 CPM. This is the speed we will strive for. Before undergo the course, I suggest you take an entrance test to help you assess your keyboard abilities. The test is simple and everyone can do it. Its essence is to press only 3 keys within 30 seconds: J, K and space in a certain sequence. Press the J and K keys with your right hand. The J key presses right forefinger and the K key right middle finger. The space key needs left thumb. Here is the text. For 30 seconds, type characters from the text and then count the number of characters you have typed. Multiply them by 2 to get the speed of the symbols in 1 minute. For example, if you hit 50 characters in 30 seconds, you could hit 100 characters in 1 minute. Based on the results of this test, you can evaluate your abilities in the future course. So, 40 characters and less low ability, learning will take a long time. 70-90 characters, this result shows most people. Such students are able to master the course Solo Typing Tutorial in 30 days. 120 characters and more, great ability to learn typing. Usually this value is shown by people who can play musical instruments. For them, the training course can be reduced to 7-10 days. Before passing the course, I would like to say about another exercise, which will give the opportunity to significantly increase the speed of typing by 50-75%. However, it should be taken only after the basic course. The results of the majority of students who have completed the course are 150,200 characters per minute, or 41.55 words per minute. After applying the secret method and its regular repetition, you can quickly increase the speed to 250,300 characters per minute, or 69.82 words per minute. So don't waste your time and let's do it. Typing is easy. Now let's go directly to the practice. First you need to study the middle row of the keyboard. The middle row of the alphabet keyboard is called home row. It consists of 9 letters and 2 keys with punctuation marks. Your first task is to place your left-hand fingers on these 4 keys of the home row as F index finger, D middle finger, S ring finger, a pinky or a little finger. Your right-hand fingers occupy their places as follows: J index finger, K middle finger, L ring finger, semicolon pinky or a little finger. The keys with letters F and J have small bumps on them. You must press the space key with your thumbs. If the last symbol was pressed by the fingers of the left hand, the space key is pressed by the thumb of the right hand, and vice versa. If the last symbol was pressed by the fingers of the right hand, then the space key must be pressed with the thumb of the left hand. Now talk about how to organize your working environment. They say that the average computer is designed for someone the size of the typical 25-year-old man. Since it is quite likely that you do not entirely fit into this ideal pattern, be sure to make all the necessary adjustments to your workstation. Your feet should be flat on the floor and your knees equal to, or slightly lower than, your hips. The back of your knees should fall 2 inches, or 5 centimeters from the end of the seat pan, giving room for 3 fingers between the back of your leg and the chair. Make sure that your upper and lower back are supported with the help of a reclined chair. Your arms should be parallel to the ground and your wrists in a neutral position. If you have a wrist rest, do not use it while typing. It is fine to rest your wrist there when not typing, but when typing, your hands should be floating over the keyboard. Your shoulders should be straight and relaxed. It is recommended to raise the computer monitor so that your eyes hit the screen 3/4 of the way up. Typing should be soft and easy. Your fingers should be lifted a bit after the touch on the keys, but not very high, so that they can fall naturally on the keys to follow. Now let's move on to the practical exercises.